In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix subscription payment failed on ChatGPT. So if you're trying to subscribe to a paid plan on ChatGPT, but you're told that the payment failed, then follow these steps to fix this problem. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right, to confirm your payment status, just go ahead and check on your payment accounts and you should see the current plan. However, if you are unable to subscribe, then all you need to do is to go ahead and go to your payment account and here check and confirm your payment card number that you entered and make sure the card number is correct. Check the expiration date of your card as well as the security code that is usually a 3-digit number that is found at the back of your credit or debit card. So once you have confirmed the details are correct as well as your name, go ahead and subscribe manually and this will go ahead and process your payment and then your payment will be deducted. However, if this still fails, then you may want to go ahead and check on your bank account to make sure that you have enough amount or you have enough funds for that subscription. One of the reasons why your payment is failing might be you don't have enough funds in your account to make this purchase. So by using any of these methods, now you should be able to make a payment successfully on ChatGPT without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.